Do you feel the same? Do you feel the same?
Good morning. I am getting ready to go camping. We're doing a little girls trip. I think I'm about all packed up and ready. We just need to go get some ice, pick up the grocery order that I placed, and then drop off my dogs.
Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, cause I'm just 22. My mind just running circles, my heart is out in the rain. I know that this is sudden, but do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the I can't make my mind up, I don't know what to do. I'm trying.
Baking powder, right?
Today is July 29th and it is my teddy bear's birthday today. Teddy's an older dog. I don't know if anybody gets like this, but I get really sad on his birthdays. That's my baby bear. I don't like them getting older. It is much later. I went to work and I just got back from walking the dogs. I'm about to feed them some dinner. When they were younger, I used to just give them like a steak, veggies, and like rice for dinner. But since they're kind of older, I don't want it to be so tough on their stomach. So I'm going to mix in their food. I'm going to saute some spinach and carrots, not in a non-stick pan, in a stainless steel pan. And then I also got them some prime rib. I guess I was just been kind of lazy this year. Normally I make them ribeye or something, but I just brought them home some prime rib. Calvin's so excited. He loves their birthdays. Don't you, puppies? I am about to meet up with Liz. We are going to go walk over to the park. It's the Mosaic Fest this weekend. It's pretty much just like a multicultural festival. There's going to be a bunch of different types of food, art, performances. I don't know. I've never been before. I think she went yesterday. I'm really excited to go check it out and eat some good food. But right now I'm going to stop by my friend's work, drop off a Red Bull to her, and then we are going to head to the Mosaic Fest to get some good food. One more time. Wait. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's good though.
That is a little hot. What kind of sauce is it? I really like this.
I haven't tried any of the other ones because there's different ones. But sugar on it sounds weird.
Did you just try that one? Okay. What do you mean I have it down? Okay, then, but then, but that's too much time. They just go back out once. Oh, you're right. In, out.